that, we want to stay away from them. Closer to the shore, the calmer the water. Alright, you're getting too close to the limit now. Go out, it's a little bit to the right, go to a little bit to the right. Alright, straighten it out, straighten it out. You're over straighten, you're going too far. You're headed to the middle of the lake. Alright, straighten it out. Go into the left a little bit. Alright, straighten it out. Yeah, they're fighting that wind there. Give me $100, I'll tell you back. Alright, get closer to the shore. Do you see what number that says? What? 51, that's what I thought. So we got 9 to go. Really 8. But it's gonna get wider. You understand? I mean, when we hit the dam, it was very narrow, so we were fighting a pretty good current. You only got it down 4, right? It's going to take us longer to get there, you know.
No, I'm scared to drive on 5.
Are you?
Yeah.
It moves fast, you know. When you change it, you turn just a little bit on 5 and yeah.
I noticed a big difference in that.
Yeah, a lot of thrust. That's fine, we got all day. I could sing. La 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 la. Alright? Wouldn't that be fun? So at 60, that's where the rapids are.
Yeah, I didn't want to drive.
Well, you can do it. Honey, you gotta stop thinking you can't and say you can. I know you can. So, you know, do it. Simple as that. Need to stay the fuck out of the middle of the river, though. Why are you turning that much? You are. Why? Turn! Turn! You're going like one extreme to another. Straight, straight. You're headed, see where my finger, that's where you're headed right now. You know? You're headed out into the middle of the river right now. Right there. And you got to keep turning because the river turns too. You just can't put it straight ahead because you're going to go right as the river turns. You're just going to go out in the middle of the river. So you got to compensate for that turn too. So again, you want to try to stay 15, 20 feet off of the edge of this river. See how calm it is on this side? And how heavy it is on that side? Just like this. This is where you want to be. See, it made a curve. The fastest flow is over there. But the wind's coming up this way and it's going the same way. It's going around that corner like funneled in. You're going way too close, dear. Why are you doing that?
I turned, I looked away. I'm nervous. I'm about to piss myself. So.
Don't relax. Just relax. Point it towards it. You're going too far out. Want to go back in. You got to get over the fears. You got to pay attention to like driving. If you don't pay attention to the car, you know, you're going to run into the wall again. So just stay 15 feet from this thing. You can go in a little bit more, but don't go extreme. You know, a little bit. It's like air in a PC. You gotta add just a little bit at a time. You know? And a little bit goes a long way. Going. Go inside that cove right there. Turn that way. Turn that way. Turn. There's a rock over here, so turn that way. Turn that way. Turn that way. All right, shut it off. Okay, let's change. That wasn't hard to do. Alright, sit down there. Any camera shit, shove it up my way, okay? Hey, here's your jacket. Now push us up hard off of that rock to where we're pointing that way. Push real hard. You happy now? What are you sleeping? I seen the panic in your face and said, I better take this shit over here. Kind of handy having a husband that was a federal boat captain, huh? Isn't everybody? How long has it been? What time is it? 2:22. Oh, perfect timing. Trust me. Hey, you got a life preserver on. Fucking bear tested. We're might be running out of juice. What's plugged in? I think a camera maybe. Is it charged?
No,
We'll unplug that and charge this one real fast. And then put it back on. No, go ahead. I got that pipe when we get home, so I better save that for the ride home. I think was right on the side here, on the left side here. Red, I think. Do I see a red on the left-hand side there, on the wall? Is that it? Sure looks like it. See, either side you get to, you get close to the wall, it's going to be a lot calmer than it is out there. And the only reason I'm on this side is because we're going to turn right, you know. When you go down the river, you try to aim for the side you're going to go to and then get over on that side and run that. I wouldn't doubt that those are tours too. Are you better now?
Huh?
Are you better? You're not having a hissy fit or nothing? That looks like a red sign to me, doesn't it? That would be 60 right there. So that means like 7 to go. Huh?
So we should throw my rope.
I wouldn't doubt if the marina runs that shit, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I could see him going by while you were driving too. Ah! Abandon ship! Every man for himself!